Navigating in multi-scale environments is often done using standard pan and zoom with bird's eye views. The example shown here is Google Maps, which is a multi-scale dataset with geographical maps at different levels of scale. However, viewing continents on the world map does not help the user to find a particular park. Zooming into the map to see the details means that the user loses the overall context. Even with the bird's eye view supported by Google Maps, you only see one zoom level back from the current focus. This is an instance of a general problem known as desert fog, where the current level of scale lacks navigational cues for how to proceed. PolyZoom is a new multi-scale navigation technique that solves this problem by letting the user build a viewport hierarchy of focus regions instead of zooming and panning in a single viewport. Here we see a user who is trying to locate a particular park in a major European city. Instead of having to go back and forth from the potential cities on the map, the user can progressively create focus regions around the cities. He can then continue drilling into the dataset by defining new focus regions inside those. Backtracking is easy because all of the previous steps in the navigation process are visible on the screen. We have implemented PolyZoom as a Flash application supporting a number of different spatial datasets, such as Google Maps, NASA Universe, Mars, and the Moon. The application uses smooth animations to aid the user in the navigation process. We also support an interest-based layout algorithm that dynamically resizes viewports depending on whether they're active or not. Here we see the user changing the active viewports in order to change the layout of the viewport hierarchy on the screen. It is also possible to use the mouse pointer's position for activating and deactivating viewports,